Hi students, welcome to our math day 4. I like to start with our I like to start with my minute math. Tell your parents to put a timer for 1 whole minute so you guys can start doing your math, okay? So remember, you put the whole minute. When it's done, when the timer goes off, you mark where you stop, and then you practice. You go through each problem with your parents. So you guys are gonna go like we do it at school. Remember, 15 minus 6, and then we say the answer. 12 minus 8, and then we say the answer. And parents, please help my students if they get something wrong. Make sure that we kind of count with them to see where they did the mistake. Okay. So when we're done with their minute math, we turn the page. And we're going to start with our math problems. Number 1A, it says, one row of an array is drawn below. Complete the arrays with X's to make 3 rows of 4s. Draw horizontal lines to separate the rows. So for number 1, the only thing we need to do is draw 3 rows of 4s. So number 1A. Draw with X's 3 rows of 4s. Remember, rows are side to side and columns up and down. So for number 1A, the only thing we need to draw is 3 rows of 4s. So, and we're going to separate them with lines. So there's 1 row, 2 rows, and 3 rows. And they each have how many? How many do we say? 4, right? 4 X's. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So for 1A, this is all we need to do. Just draw whatever, how many lines or columns they ask with how many items they requested. So now let's move to letter B, 1B. It says, draw an array with X's that has 3 columns of 4s. Draw vertical lines to separate the columns, fill in the blanks. So I have my problem right here. Letter B. Draw an array with X's that has 3 columns. Remember, columns up and down. So we have 3, right? And we're going to separate them with our lines, vertical lines. 3. We are going to do 3 columns of 4s. So are these 4? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So they are 3 columns of 4s. Now it says filled in the blanks. So on the side, on the first one, we have it like this. Now we have to say, we need to count how many in each column. How many X's are in each column? So this is going to be column number 1, 2, and 3. How many X's are in column number 1? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. What about column number 2? 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's do number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we have 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12. Next one. 3 rows of 4 equals, but this is the tricky part. Look, it says rows and it says columns. So I also drew my rows on the side. I drew 3 rows of 4s. So 3 rows of 4 equals, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 3 rows of 4s equals 12. These are rows and these are columns. Three columns of 4 equals, how many is 3 columns of 4? Equals to what? 12. Remember guys, these numbers, they all need to match together. If we don't match, we need to go back and check our answer, okay? Let's go back and check the answer if my problem does not work. This is gonna be our day 4 math. If you guys have any questions, please dojo me with any questions. Have a good day.